Hello everyone, it's me Faith and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a Valentine's Day cookie, which is a red velvet cookie with the only thing that represents Valentine's Day with a white chocolate heart on top. They're very simple, easy, and help make them. Let's get into the ingredients. Now, you'll need melted butter, sugar, 1 whole egg and an egg yolk, vanilla extract, red food coloring. We have plain flour, salt and bicarbonate of soda, and cocoa powder. Now, we'll place the sugar into the butter and mix it. Once it is mixed, we are going to put the food coloring in. This is gel food coloring. You can use gel, which is slightly better, to give more of a vibrant color. But if you want, you can use liquid food coloring. You'll need about a teaspoon. Stirring in with the eggs, we'll add the vanilla too, and give it a mix. Okay, once you have your red eggs, we'll put them in with the butter and sugar. Give it a quick mix. And we'll place the dry ingredients: flour, raising agent and salt, and the cocoa powder. And mix it. Note, make sure your cocoa powder is sifted so you don't have chunks of cocoa. And the misconception is that red velvet cake is just a vanilla cake with red food coloring. No, it is essentially a cake with cocoa powder. So it's sort of like a chocolate cake, but there's less cocoa in it than a normal chocolate cake. And it obviously has a cream cheese frosting on it, which is amazing. Okay, there we go. Cookie dough is ready. Now we'll place it in the fridge to set. Okie dokie. Now, this has set a bit in the fridge. It's easier to scoop. It smells really good. I'm going to take a scoop and place it on the baking paper. Keep on repeating, then we'll place them in the oven. Okay, for the top we are going to place these white chocolate hearts, which I have made myself. You can either make them, this is just melted white chocolate that I've put in this tray. Then I have a cookie cutter, and once it's set but not fully set, so you can punch them out, cut them out and place them on a tray and pop them in the freezer, and you have white chocolate hearts. If you don't want to go to the trouble of making them yourself, don't worry, it's Valentine's Day, it's very simple to get a chocolate shaped heart. So you can just use them instead. Your choice to make. Okay, there you have it, the finished cookies. Let's taste it and then I'll tell you what I've done. Wow, absolutely amazing. It tastes like put a red velvet cake instead of cookie. It tastes amazing. White chocolate, super good. And all I've done to put these on is just Wait about 3 minutes after they come out of the oven, so they're slightly cooled but not boiling hot, that if they're too hot they'll melt the chocolate. And then I've placed the heart on top and melt and let it melt slightly so that it sticks. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and this video. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you again next week, and happy Valentine's Day. Bye bye.